Welcome to Lucky Wheels. The truck didn't secure the hay properly, and it fell onto the road, creating a hazard for other drivers. At the moment, the car lost control on the snowy road and crashed into the roadside barrier. The roads often bring us a mix of heart-pounding close calls and incredible driving maneuvers that leave us in awe. This video was created for educational purposes and includes valuable original text commentary. Let's get it on. Oh dear, stop completely at red lights, man. It's your turn to yield. What was wrong with him? Pray that both of them are all right. Why should those who obey the law pay attention to those who break the law? Roads were in terrible shape. What the? Stay safe, folks. Never panic once. Good driving, and glad the driver is safe. Keep a safe distance from trucks like this. Stay away from them, everyone. Oh, might be careful on snowy roads, folks. All I can say is drive carefully. You never know when you encounter a distracted driver. No, never drive into the influence of alcohol or medications that may impair your cognitive function. Oh dear, what was wrong with him? Hope the driver's safe. Please look around you, and I hope the driver is safe. Oh my God, that's a criminal on the run. Luckily, the police caught him. Wow, that is so scary. Thankfully, there were no injuries. No way avoid reckless driving behavior, like cutting off other drivers. So what happened? Glad they were both safe. Ah dear, keep your eyes on the road, bro. They were obviously paying zero attention to the road, or didn't even get his attention. Let's like and subscribe, so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. We cannot cut off other vehicles when we are on the road with a double line, very risky. Oh no, I will not pass a car like that because of the late deciders. People, this is the consequence of running a red light. Do not imitate this. Oh, the road is very narrow, but luckily no one was injured. Whoops, stay alert, you guys. So what happened? Glad they were both safe. What was wrong with him? Glad there were no injuries. Who is wrong in this case? Let me know your opinion in the comments below. This is why you keep your attention on the road and your surroundings. Now the driver made a mistake with her foot on the gas. Glad no one was seriously injured. Oh my, what is going on? Stay safe out there, man. Whoops, what is going on? Rear-ended incident or not paying attention. Whoops, stay safe out there, folks. Oh my God, oh my God. Stay alert, guys. All I can say is drive carefully. You never know when you encounter a distracted driver. On a rainy day, you have to drive cautiously because any time can be a hydroplane moment. This is what it means: low speed and distance. Be careful, guys. I hope he learns his lesson after all. Glad he's okay. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Don't panic brake, let's keep a safe distance. No! Drivers, please drive with care, even though you are in a rush for time. Don't drive too close to large trucks, because they have blind spots. Oh, never go too close to the double line, okay? Be careful. This is a similar situation, so please be careful. Be cautious of drivers who may change lanes abruptly or tailgate. Do not imitate this. Use brake lights to communicate your intentions to other drivers, dude.
Hello? Man,
what was wrong with it? Luckily, no one got hurt. Please avoid lingering in a truck's blind spot. Either pass quickly or stay a safe distance behind. Hey there, please slow down. Please slow down when changing lanes.
В 2 раза меньше света. Ого.
No way avoid reckless driving behavior,
Ого.
like cutting off other drivers. When confronted with a slippery, snow-covered road, your response should be measured and deliberate. The brakes didn't work. Glad no one was seriously injured. Oops, in this case, who's going to pay the insurance? It's good that all of them are fine. No, don't lack respect for other road users like that. Mate. Whoops, this is why you can't lean split so fast. Luckily, he's okay. That is so scary. Always remember the 3-second rule, everyone. Oh, what is going on? Glad everyone is safe. What's wrong with him? The both of them are all right. What was wrong with him? Don't do that, bro. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our videos, leave a comment below with the number 1. Is this overcorrection? Oh. Perhaps the brakes were useless in this harsh weather. Well, it seemed not to have moved smoothly. Thankfully, no one was injured. All I can say is drive carefully. You never know when you encounter a distracted driver. What a nightmare pray that all of them are all right. Oh, what is going on? Thankfully, the driver is safe. Hey bro, don't cut off the other vehicles. When change lanes. This was a completely unexpected incident. Hope the driver is safe. Oh my, stay safe out there, folks. No, what are you doing? Defensive driving, and always keeping a safe distance, folks. Oh, that was a blind spot. Luckily, the driver is safe. Never tailgate or follow other vehicles too closely mate. Please slow down when driving on snowy roads. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. No practice reversing maneuvers in an empty parking lot to improve your skills and confidence. Oh, the snow dust has obscured visibility. I hope the driver is okay. This is exactly why you have to drive with your eyes open. Please keep a safe distance. Oh, everything has become so chaotic. I hope everyone is okay. Be careful while on the roads and remain attentive to the traffic conditions. Obey speed limits. Wear seatbelts and avoid reckless driving. It seems like the truck driver may have lost the brakes. Thank you for watching videos from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. See you next video.